Skilsaw worm drive. It's a model SPT 70WT22. Runs a 10-inch blade, comes with a Diablo rip blade. All the accessories on this saw store completely in the saw. Push stick, it's a fence, slides in there. You can see the miter gauge has a spot. The prowlers, they lock in under the table. Dust collection is great on this saw. The blade is completely enclosed. You can see the wrench for the blade, and there's a little Allen wrench back here, back in there, and that's for adjusting the table. The motor housing to the table to make sure that it's parallel to the fence. Over here you got the blade guard, and around the side, cord storage is really nice. The stand for it is excellent. It's sturdy. It locks into it in two places, well, beside fitting into it. This clamp here really secures the saw. It's not going anywhere. And like I said, there's two spots, one in the back and the opposite corner in the front. Adjustable legs for unlevel surfaces. I can't say enough about the stand on this saw. It's sturdy, has absolutely no wobble. I have no doubt that you could push some big stuff through this saw and not move it. It's a worm drive, so it's got a lot of torque. They say I've seen videos of it cutting a 4x4, which is really 3.5 by 3.5. And I'm pretty sure the depth of cut is 3.5. Everything, I just had to set up. The only thing I had to adjust from the factory was the orientation of the motor to the rip fence. It was just a little bit out in the back of the saw, just a tiny bit, and that's it. Other than that, nothing. You can see inside how the blade is completely enclosed. I gotta say, dust collection is really pretty good on the saw. It's got a spindle lock. Riving knife is totally adjustable. It's really a nice saw. Cut a few things with it. It's spot on. 45s came set up from the factory. Great. I really don't have much bad to say about it so far. Adjustment, you know, this whole thing, this is your elevation, and you unlock it, and it's for your tilt. The only thing I wish it had was like positive stops along here or something, but you know, it's no big deal. It just locks and that's it. The table extension's nice. It'll cut 25 inches to the right and 7 inches to the left, which isn't bad. It's a great little saw.